Hi, this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. Today we're in our veranda and we're going to repot some of our plants. We're going to repot it into a bigger paso. So let's look at our paso. Here, I'm going to show you. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign and the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Come on, let's start repotting our plants. Early morning, around, hindi na pala early, mga 9 a.m. we went to Quezon Memorial Circle to buy plants. We entered the one after the one going to UP. After going to UP, the Commonwealth. After the Commonwealth, we entered there. There are a lot of plants there. And we went to the back. Yes, there's a feria, but it's closed. Yeah. This is the plant we're going to repot somewhere, maybe in the plastic one. And this is the new pots. This is the green one, and we have a blue one, plastic and all. We're going to repot it into a bigger paso. Yes. Okay, let's start. This is our old soil, and I'm going to add loam soil into it. Okay, it's in a planggana. And potted all the plants already, and this is how it looks now. Yan. Mihi ang doggy. I will repot. Ano i-repot ko? Lagyan ko muna ng loop. I'll put soil na lang. Ito yung natirang soil kaninang umaga. Lipat ko na dyan lahat. Yan. Saan na ba yung gloves ko? Yes, Jaya. Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. And these are the plants that I have repotted. It's nighttime now. I haven't done my outro yet, so gabi na. And these are the plants. We repotted those. And this one. That one. Yan. Yan. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching till the end. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up sign and the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!